You're probably already aware of Crypto.com as a place that you can buy crypto, exchange, and maybe to stake your crypto and earn an interest. But one of the most popular features, and a product that I personally use every day, is the Crypto.com Visa debit card, which was formerly known as the MCO card. The card allows users to deposit multiple fiat currencies with zero charges and annual fees. And it's not actually a credit card, but a prepaid card, very similar to the likes of a debit card. However, instead of tying your card to a bank account, you'll simply need to top up your cards, which you can do with another card, bank account, or even crypto. The card can then be used to pay in over 40 million point-of-sale locations worldwide, and lots of different types of online retail shops too. Then depending on the card that you choose, you'll receive cashback on purchases between 1 and 8%. Plus you're also going to get free Spotify, Prime and Netflix subscriptions. There are 5 different cards that you can choose from, with the Obsidian being the top tier, and the entry-level tier is called Midnight Blue. To receive better cashback rates and benefits, such as the free Netflix, you will need to stake their own CRO token, which at the time of this recording is sitting at around number 5 on CoinMarketCap, and at around 49 cents. However, recently the price has been as high as around 90 cents in the past few weeks. So with the Midnight Blue card here, as you can see, you don't need to stake any CRO at all, and you'll still get 1% cashback on your purchases. The next tier up is Ruby Steel, which is the card that I previously had, and I got 2% cashback in CRO on my purchases, and I also got Spotify for free, which was worth around $12.99 a month. To get the card, I staked $400 worth of CRO, which if you consider the Spotify reimbursement at just over $155 for the 12-month period isn't bad. Plus you'll also get your stake tokens back at the end. I got this card in around November 2020 and have since used it whilst travelling and made payments across multiple countries in Europe and Mexico. Plus I've also used it for card withdrawals too of up to $400 a month. And if you go over this during the month period, you're charged 2%. Now I've recently upgraded my Ruby Steel card to get better rewards and cashback, which I'm going to take you through in a moment. When I originally got my card and staked my CRO, the price of the token was around 6 cents. And with the price rising to over 80 cents more than that value, I've been lucky enough to upgrade to the Frosted Rose Gold or Icy White card, which means that I now get 5% cashback on my purchases, Spotify, Netflix, Amazon Prime and 10% off Expedia. Plus I can also get airport lounge service for me and one other, Crypto.com Private, and that gives me an inheritance service and priority customer services, etc. And I also earn bonus rewards and an exclusive merchandise welcome pack, and my cash withdrawals have now increased to $1,000 a month. Therefore, now what I tend to do is top up my card and then use it for all my purchases, especially when I know I'm going to make larger payments, and that's so that I can get that 5% cashback in CRO. So let's take a look now at how we can apply and how to start earning cashback on your purchases. To get started, you will need to have a Crypto.com app account. If you don't already have one, I've got a link in the summary that will get you up to $25 in cashback. You'll also need to go through an element of KYC verification too. And as I said, you will need to have some CRO tokens to stake. If you don't already have any, you can buy them directly within the Crypto.com app using either fiat or crypto. Or if you have an exchange account, you can trade for them there and then withdraw them back to your app. And the amount of CRO that you'll need will depend on the tier and the card that you're looking to get. If you're new, you'll need to head across to the cards section of the app. Select the Crypto.com Visa card that you want and then choose to stake CRO. And you'll then need to stake your CRO tokens for a period of 180 days. Now if you choose to unstake after the 6-month period, and you want to either upgrade your card or withdraw your tokens, the amount that you'll receive back will be the exact amount of tokens that you staked, as opposed to the value, which will obviously go up and down during the 6-month period. And to continue with trying to apply for a new card, you would then follow the instructions on your screen, which will include entering in your address details for your card to be shipped to. Then once you've received your card, you may then need to activate it before you start using it. Alternatively, if you are upgrading as I am here, under your account and your CRO balance, you'll see an option to upgrade under your staked amount. When we press onto it, it'll then ask how much we want to stake, and it'll show you the different options here. You can then continue to stake and confirm your amount, and your funds will then be held for 180 days. Just note that you will be prompted to upgrade your Visa card at this time, which may incur a card reissuing fee of around $50, pounds or euros. However, you can avoid this, but you will miss out on a couple of the benefits, such as the likes of the increased card withdrawal amounts and access to the airport lounge, where the physical card is actually required. If you're new, or if you've upgraded your card, to use the actual card itself, you will need to obviously load some funds onto it. As you can see, because I'm from the UK, I'm provided with a British pounds and a euro account. Therefore, your accounts may look a little different here, and you can top up your card using a credit or a debit card with crypto or a fiat wallet for bank transfers. To top up your card, make sure you're on the card option in the bottom right-hand side of your app. Then choose Top Up from the centre. And from here, you'll be able to choose crypto wallet or credit card. When you choose crypto, your crypto will convert and be exchanged to your own currency. But as you can see, this is in GBP for me. And it'll show the conversion here. For example, if I choose USDC, it'll show the amount in GBP. Alternatively, you can choose credit card and then add a credit or debit card by entering in the card details, and then you enter in the amount that you'd like to top up with, and then you can confirm the transaction. When you start making purchases with your card, you'll find that the CRO rewards are paid in CRO to your wallet, which you can find under your accounts at the bottom of the screen. Then Crypto Wallet and Crypto.com Coin. And if you scroll down here, you'll see all the cashback amounts. If you're interested in earning passive income, you can also earn better rates of interest on fixed-term deposits which are paid in CRO with Crypto.com Earn. With the Crypto.com Earn program, the rates that you'll receive are all dependent on the term and the number of CRO that you're staking, i.e. your card tier level. For example, with Bitcoin, if you stake 400 or less for a 3-month term, you'll get 4.5% on the likes of Bitcoin and 10% on stablecoins. By staking $4,000 worth of CRO, you'll get 6.5% and 12% on your stablecoins. And then with 40,000 or more, you'll have 8.5% on Bitcoin and 14% on your stablecoins. But just note that this is not applicable for the CRO deposits, as that's always at 6%, as you can see here. But that completes going through some of the benefits that you can find with the Crypto.com card. And I hope that you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to my website at everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews, and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.